In this video, I want to show how I use two internal tools I built with AI in my everyday creative workflow. The first is called Preview It, and this lets me open any local website or directory in a browser and then code instantly. So the changes that I'm making as I'm coding, I can see. The second is Deploy. This is a tool which allows me to sync files that have recently changed to my server. So it's very fast and it's keeping track of files. So it's not uploading the full website, just pieces of it. Now, while I don't have video of how I actually built these two apps, I wanted to show that when you have an existing app, you can continue to build on it. So for example, with the Preview It app, there was one thing that I forgot to add into the original build, and that was the option to pick from more than just top-level folders. So if I wanted to work on something inside of a client folder, I had to manually click on it within the browser to get there. So I decided to fix that, and this was the process. I asked ChatGPT to analyze the original bash script and just suggest some improvements. And it came back with a lot of smart ideas, like remembering the last folder that I used or killing old live server processes. Hadn't even considered that. But best of all, it helped me to add a recursive folder selection so I can keep going deeper until I find the exact folder that I want. Here's what the improvements look like in action. I launch the app, I pick my root site, then I navigate step by step down into Client, into Lindenfeld in this case, and I can keep going if I wanted to. Once I hit the folder I want, Sublime Text opens, the port's cleaned, the live server spins up automatically in my browser, and I can start to work. Little tools like this change the way I work. They save me time, they reduce friction, and they just keep me in flow. And the fact that I can iterate them on like I did with this means that my workflow keeps getting better and every project moves just a little bit faster. It doesn't take a lot of my time, and I'm saving between $30 and $60 every time I build one of these tools, which typically only takes a couple of hours to generate. Thanks for watching my walkthrough, and if you have any questions about how you can start doing some of this work yourself, please feel free to reach out.